We are going to put on some hood struts on a Lexus. Turns out there's a little ball here, and it's going to be the same underneath. Now, in my case, I'm using a screwdriver. I would strongly recommend that you tape up the screwdriver so you're not winding up doing any damage to the paint, because I don't want to damage the paint. I wrapped the tip of the screwdriver with tape. I popped it off. So this is the one strut. If you look inside, it's a clip. It's kind of a non-removable clip. It's just to hold it in place. The same thing goes downstairs here. So I'm gonna wind up popping this out as well. And I'm gonna need two hands. Turns out it does not pop off easily. It actually was a bit of a chore to pop it off downstairs, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to pop it back on without a lot of fanfare. As it turns out, it pops on super easy. The pop off part is the hard part. So now let me see if we can, this does not want to turn. Okay, so now this is up, it's not going anywhere, and I'm gonna pop it on this side. Let me see if I can, trying to take a video of it. I can't get it quite. Now let's see how easy this is. Remember, the strut part goes up, and I'm gonna try to pop on the bottom. This is how easy it is to pop on the bottom. Make sure it's aligned. Make sure it's aligned here, and this is how easy it is. Poof, it's on. The top one goes on the same way. So now that I know what's going on here, I recommend not twisting the strut, just twisting the tip until it's in the right orientation. Let me lift this up just a little bit more, and bam, it's on.